Alright guys, I already kind of started. I'm spray painting my carpet using this spray paint from AutoZone. Yeah. You can tell a difference from how it was before and how it's gonna look right now. Alright, I'm gonna continue spray painting. Alright, I finished painting this mat. It's the passenger side. And then compared to the driver's side, I'm gonna start painting this one. Tell how really faded it is. And now it's starting to look really nice. And I'm gonna fix that whole problem too. Alright, so finished painting. And it looks way better than it was. So we're gonna put this metal plate where that hole is, like that, and I'm gonna drill it out, drill through the carpet. I'll be right back. Okay. So this is how it looks. It's all screwed in, and so this is the back. Comes with these hardware. I'll just put in the description where I got the plate. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like it. Alright, bye.